Hey, so how's everyone been? So today we're going to be talking about how we can make layer lines smooth and you don't have any gaps in it. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is fillable and sandable primer. I found this at Advanced Auto Parts, yes, the auto shop near me, and it was only like $7, so it wasn't too expensive. So I took it outside, there's a bunch of rocks on it, it was really windy, so hopefully it doesn't blow away. Yeah, that was 100% my fault. So I would recommend not spraying as much as I did, but I was holding a camera and I didn't know how to keep the print from moving around. Now let's wait and hopefully it'll be done soon.
3 hours later.
I would recommend going from a low grit sandpaper to a high grit sandpaper so it's more smooth and feels a whole lot nicer. Well, as you can see, you can still see the layer lines. They didn't go away. You just use the sandable filler primer just to fill in the gaps. But it's silky smooth feeling, and if you were ever to paint it over, you wouldn't be able to see any of it or feel any of it. Well, hope you enjoyed my video. If you liked it, please subscribe, that would be awesome, and like the video for more 3D prints. Well, I'll see you next time. Bye.